Dear students, welcome you all. In this video I am going to explain about motoring test on a 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine. The aim of the experiment is to measure the frictional power of the given 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine by motoring test. Along with the test rig, in the instrumentation panel there should be a digital RPM indicator to measure the speed of the engine, digital voltmeter to measure the voltage, and digital ammeter to measure the current. This is the test setup of 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine to conduct the motoring test. First of all, you can switch on the console. Then in the instrumentation board every reading is 0 except temperature. Keep the changeover switch in the motoring direction. Those are the digital voltmeter and ammeter. These are the corresponding analog meters for digital ammeter and voltmeter. This is the speed controller of the motor. Switch on the main. Now slowly increase the speed of the motor in the speed controller. Now the motor will run the engine. You have to observe that when the speed of the engine will changes by rotating the speed controller, there the corresponding voltage and current is also changes. Increase the speed and note down the armature current, voltage and speed. Now slowly decrease the power on rheostats to 0 and turn the changeover switch to OFF position. These are the observation table, formulae and calculations for the calculation of frictional power of the 4-stroke diesel engine by motoring test. You have to repeat the similar procedure to get frictional power of the motor at various speeds. Thank you.